Good day, guys. Um, Welcome to the last NFP of the year 2023. I just want to say a few things. I'm happy to announce that Mr. Investor Tizar, a trader for 8 years in Forex, I'm now partnering up with Trading Empire, which is owned by Taha Habibi, and yeah, we have started a good relationship, and what our aim is basically to help people in Africa, also see their potential and gain financial freedom, because obviously Africa is seen as a struggling continent. We want to build them to be financially free, and with the employment rate in Africa increasing on a yearly basis, we want to give them opportunity through trading profitably to reach their goals and reach their dreams. So yeah, it's a great partnership starting off, and 2024 will be great. So with that said, I'm going to start my analysis for what I'm foreseeing, for NFP today, on the 12th of, on the 8th of December. So let's start it off, right? Okay. Gonna just share my screen. Awesome. Okay, guys. So one thing we must always do when we're gonna trade, before trading, is check the news that is coming up in that time. So yes, this time zone is based on South Africa. So yeah, we just have to change it to comply to yours, right? So we go somewhere on investing.com and go to the economic calendar. Right. And here I can see, basically I filtered it in terms of, I only want to see the high volatile news. So this is it for today. So these are the news that's happening at 3:30 my time. I'm sure in USA it's about 8:30, should be 8:30. But yeah, we're looking into this NFP, what to trade, how to trade it properly, right? So this whole week, these are the fundamentals that have occurred in this week. And every first week of a month, obviously, we expect NFP, right? But when we look at the calendar, every first Friday, the NFP was supposed to happen in the first, but it was moved to the 8th, right? I think it was due to the holidays. So yeah, this is basically the first week. And every first week of what we call the NFP week, where there's NFP, there's a whole lot of news and a whole lot of volatile news, right? So one thing you must be alert of, after the NFP, then the true direction of the market will show its face, right? So NFP is just a lot of noise, but when you want to swing a trade, you wait for after NFP, and then from next week now the market will start showing true direction. Okay. So with that said, now we've done with that news. Then next week we have CPI on Tuesday, right? So this is where the true direction of USD is gonna go, right? So I'm looking for USD strength right here. So on NFP, I'm looking for just a playing of games. Maybe a bearish USD, a weak USD, and then moving on to becoming stronger when the CPI comes through. So we're expecting just a pullback. So let me go to the chart so you can see clearly what I'm talking about. So what we have here, the first thing always to do is always look at the DXY, the dollar index, right? So you can identify the direction of USD, right? So what we see here, right, clearly is we're expecting dollar strength, right? So in the zone, dollar broke out, right? And it came back to a 61.85 zone to continue its uptrend, right? So currently, for the whole month, I'm expecting USD strength. But currently, right, for NFP, I'm expecting, so this was a channel, it broke out below. I'm expecting a drop in dollar strength, right? Just for a pullback. So for NFP, where's the arrow? So for NFP, I'm expecting, obviously, this is a break there, retest, a little drop, right? Just a little drop somewhere there maybe, and then we continue with our direction of being bullish, which I'm expecting to start that movement here to happen on CPI, right? I'm expecting that bullish move to happen from CPI. So I'm expecting a weak dollar, right? But long term, for the whole month of December, just be aware that the real move we're looking for, bulls on USD. Okay, now that we know what we're looking for on USD, right, then we can identify direction on all the other pairs. So gold, right? If we're saying USD is going to be weak today, that means we're expecting gold to push up, right? So yes, I'm expecting for NFP this Friday for that gold to push up. I'm expecting gold to push up until then, form some sort of a double top. You know, it won't just drop, it has to form some sort of double top there, then continuous drop for the US strength, right? So you can see that's the breakout. Now it needs to drop. Okay, so that's gold for you, right? So another thing is when the dollar is weak, right? When the dollar is weak, indices, when the dollar is weak, indices rise, right? So when the dollar is strong, indices drop. So yes, I'm looking for a drop long term. You see the drop long term because I'm seeing USD strength. But for NFP, like I said, I'm looking for weakness in the dollar. So that means this for indices, I'm expecting bulls, right? So I'm expecting something like a push somewhere here, and then on CPI and everything, there to be a hectic push down there for CPI. So for now, we're expecting a push up there. So I'm expecting something of this level. Sorry for delay. Just so we're expecting price to maybe do that, a triple top, 1, 2, triple top today, then drop, right? So yeah, expecting that bullish move for for indices, US30. Nasdaq should see a similar pattern coming through. So let's look at Nasdaq from a daily perspective. Cool. So yes, I'm looking for a drop long term, right? But just for this NFP today, like I said, we're looking for bulls. So we're looking for that spikes on that level, just another spike there, then we drop it, right? So we're expecting price to come hit the top, right? Just price to just touch the top, and then for CPI we drop it, right? Cool. Then here, one of my favorite pairs, USD for specific reasons, which you'll get in the mentorship. But yeah, so there's a channel that price was playing above here, then it's playing below in this channel at the moment. And it's playing here to drop. Sorry, to rise, right? Because we're looking for USD weakness today. So probably we'll get on USD ZAR, we're expecting a drop because we are saying USD will be weak. Some drop to that level, then break in CPI, breaking back up to the top, right? Then looking at Euro USD, right? Yes, we're looking for USD strength. and this all confirms. This is a 61.8 zone, so it's a good retracement zone if you use the FIB, which is a tool to identify retracement key areas for retracement from there to there. Within my zone, the 61.8 there. So hence, from there, I'm expecting a drop in the Euro USD, which means USD strength. But for NFP, like I said, we're looking for just a pullback, weakness in USD, which confirms that, yeah, everything just agrees with each other. When that happens, it's something we call confluence, right? GBP USD, same thing. So we're just looking for a little pullback, then CPI drop, right? It's also at the 61.8 zone. When you look at the chart from a bigger view, just playing above the channel, came back here, pull back, we drop it. So yeah, we've got our directions for gold, DXY, US30, NASDAQ, Euro, USD, GBP, USD, USD. So basically, my advice is always trade 4 pairs per week. Stick to them, don't move around, type of thing. Just stick to 4 pairs. Don't jump around every pair, because jack of all trades, master of no trade, no pair. So yeah, so that's it for the analysis for NFP. My name is Mr. US30. I've been trading for 8 years. You can hit me up, but the main page is Trading Empire. This is where you can send a message and get things professionally done, professional discussions, etc. So this is where I'll be posting most of my work with my partners that I'm accumulating a good network. So we want to create a good network between USA, Iran, South Africa first, then branch into a solid group, that help each other and understand. It's good to understand each other's cultures and what's happening in different countries, besides just trading, but be a good society. So this is what we try to do, build an empire. So, and we're gonna get it done. And I'd like to thank I don't want to say my manager, but yeah, he is my advisor, and he's helping this vision happen to life. He's the manager, owner of Trading Empire, and I'm grateful for him for this opportunity to work with him. And yeah, you can check him out. You can message him if you need anything. But yeah, it's gonna be a good movement for 2024 that will help everyone, every trade, in every way. So yeah, that's my market breakdown for NFP day leading into CPI next week. So I hope everybody understood. There was nothing unclear. If there's anything unclear, send a DM to the Trading Empire Instagram group. We'll make things clearer for you. And yeah, enjoy the weekend. Have a blessed weekend, and hope you have a profitable NFP. Cheers.